Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener, your go-to place for starting and creating a garden for your home. Today we're diving into the world of Astilbe plants. These perennial beauties, with their feathery plumes and fern-like foliage, are a fantastic addition to any garden, bringing a splash of colour and a touch of elegance. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, stick around. Today, we will guide you through the simple and easy steps to grow your own Astilbe plants. Astilbe plants are known for their vibrant and feathery flowers. They are a great addition to any garden, adding a pop of colour and life. Now, when we talk about Astilbes, we're really discussing a family of plants. There are over 25 species, all with their unique features. Some of the most popular ones include the Astilbe chinensis, with its delicate pink flowers, and the Astilbe arensi, known for its striking red blooms. What makes these plants a favourite among garden enthusiasts? Well, it's their ability to thrive in shady areas, and their feathery plumes that bloom from late spring to early summer. They can grow from 1 to 6 feet tall depending on the species, creating an impressive display of colour and texture. Astilbe plants are not just about the aesthetics though. They're hardy, resilient, and can handle cooler climates, making them a versatile choice for gardens across the globe. Now that we've understood what Astilbe plants are, let's dive into how to grow them. Growing Astilbe plants is quite straightforward. You only need to follow a few simple steps. Let's start with the timing. Astilbe plants are best planted in early spring or late fall. This gives them plenty of time to establish their roots before the hot, dry summer months. If you're planting in the spring, wait until the last frost has passed and the soil has started to warm. Now on to preparing the soil. Astilbe plants love rich, well-drained soil. Start by amending your garden soil with plenty of organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure. This will not only nourish your plants, but also improve the soil structure, promoting better drainage. Next, let's discuss planting. Dig a hole that's about twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of your Astilbe plant. Place the plant in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Then backfill the hole with soil, firming it gently around the base of the plant. Once your Astilbe plants are in the ground, it's all about care and maintenance. These plants prefer moist soil, so regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Astilbe plants also benefit from a layer of mulch around their base. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and keep the roots cool during hot weather. You can use organic mulch like compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure. Feeding your Astilbe plants is another key step. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring to promote strong, healthy growth. You can also add a dose of high-phosphorus fertilizer in midsummer to encourage blooming. Speaking of blooming, when can you expect to see those beautiful plumes? Well, most Astilbe varieties bloom in late spring to early summer. However, with proper care, you can often enjoy a second flush of flowers in late summer or early fall. With these steps, you can ensure your Astilbe plants grow healthy and vibrant. Let's quickly recap the steps we've covered today. We began our journey with understanding the Astilbe plant, a beautiful perennial known for its feathery, fern-like blooms. We learned about its different types, each unique in its own way, and how it can add a touch of elegance and vibrancy to your garden. Next, we dove into the step-by-step guide to growing Astilbe plants. We started with choosing the right spot, one that offers partial to full shade, as Astilbes prefer cooler conditions. Then we moved on to preparing the soil. Remember, Astilbes love nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. So it's worth taking the time to enrich your soil with organic matter. Planting followed next. Plant your Astilbes about 1 to 3 feet apart to give them ample space to grow. And remember, the crown of the plant should be level with or slightly below the ground. Watering appropriately is crucial. Astilbes prefer moist soil, but be careful not to overwater. Finally, we discussed the importance of mulching to retain moisture and discourage weeds. Fertilizing in the spring can also give your plants a healthy boost. If each step is done right, you can expect your garden to be graced with the elegant beauty of blooming Astilbes. They'll add a touch of magic to your garden, enchanting everyone with their feathery plumes and lush foliage. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us at Great North Gardener. Follow these steps and you'll have a garden full of blooming Astilbe plants in no time. Until next time, happy gardening.